Ruto Mangiithia na Aigithia Itiganite oro ndumwe na arugamiri ao kana abiacara Itiganite na aria makionjorithagiria kuria bururi-ini wa Amerika na ni Itemiini ria gukorwo makiaraniria na Kuigwithania uria mangikorwo magioka guigithia guku bururi-ini wa Kenya. Ruto o hindi iyo niaugite ati gitaru kia Afrika na makiria ya ithwiro ya irathiro gikiri na uhoti na makiria wa gukorwo gigikuria oro ndumwe na mieke mingi ya mawira.
How are you? The most consequential breakthrough in technological innovation will take place in the East African savannah when global tech leadership, together with foreign direct investment, converge upon Africa's youthful human capital, natural resources, and green energy potential. To actualize the intention of developing a business-friendly environment, the following commitments are now very high strategic priorities. First, for the sake of stability, we have a tax code that is simple to enforce, consistent, fair, and predictable, that lasts at least 3 years. I am very clear in my mind that this is the moment we are having a conversation about. I am not alone in this conviction. The first movers are already on site, and they pitched tent long time ago in Kenya. Kenya is the cradle of humankind, is the home of humankind. That is where we all came from. Those of you who are in America, those of you in Asia and the rest of the world, we all came from somewhere in Kenya. And therefore, don't be surprised when you feel at home in Kenya, because it truly is home. And therefore, I want to urge you, it is said east and west, including north and south, home is best. Come invest at home.
Less than a year ago, Visa made a commitment to invest $1 billion in Africa over the next 5 years, and a large portion of that's going to be in Kenya.
We don't believe you have to show it.
Mutongoria wa bururi